A very interesting event happened in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. What happened was a farmer was trying to dig a regular well, and as he started drilling at depths of 500-800 feet, water started coming out on its own, erupt करके पानी बाहर आ गया, और इतना ज़्यादा पानी था that all those drilling equipments got completely submerged and stuck, and 25 बीघा लैंड पानी से डूब गया. So people thought it is like a miracle. Saraswati river has revived again. वेदों में लिखा गया है that in the future sometime Saraswati which disappeared would again revive back. So people thought Saraswati had revived itself, but in geological concepts it's called as artesian wells. They are special type of geological formations जहाँ की there are layers of rocks. जो ऊपर का लेयर होता है वो हार्ड रॉक इम्परवियस रॉक है जिससे पानी पास नहीं कर सकता. नीचे भी एक और लेयर है हार्ड इम्परवियस रॉक्स, पानी पास नहीं कर सकता, और बीच में there is rocks which can hold water. They're called as aquifers. ये पानी होल्ड कर सकते हैं जैसे कि सैंडस्टोन है और शेल हो. अब ये फॉर्मेशन का अगर शेप जो है एक टाइप का इंक्लाइंड आर्क ऐसे हो where the porous layer ultimately is exposed on the surface, and when somebody drills a hole through the hard rock, because of this water accumulating along this curved system, water will get pushed out with tremendous amount of force. It's like a hydrostatic force because of the rock formations. इसको बोलते हैं artisan wells. Artisan wells कुछ unique नहीं है. They're found in many places. In fact, named after a town in France called as Artois. एक Roman settlement था called Artesian. वहाँ पर ऐसे बहुत सारे wells होते थे which support agriculture of those regions. In fact, Australia में if you know about a place called as Downs, ये grasslands हैं. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे artisan wells हैं. The entire region is called as the Great Artesian Basin or simply as Artesian Country of Australia. वहाँ का पूरा agriculture of New South Wales and good parts of Victoria is supported by these kind of artesian wells. In fact, Islam में Muslims believe that as a part of an old event when the son of Abraham जब उनको प्यास लगी थी तो he started hitting his heel on the sands and sand से पानी निकला which today is called as Zamzam. Zamzam is an Arabic word which means stop. So इतना पानी निकला that the mother started to hold the water, calling it Zamzam as in stop the water. तो वो शायद एक टाइप का artisan well ही था. आज भी this is very important event as a part of Hajj rituals in Islam, where people go and pray. They perform some rituals of perambulations and walking through two places. So artisan wells have always been very interesting. They've intrigued mankind because of this sudden eruption of water. Artisan well जैसा कुछ और होता है called as geysers. We also have springs, but they are different in their formation. Geysers are linked to volcanism. Artesian well is simply the type of rock formation that builds up pressure and shoots out the water.